Understanding Shade versus Sun Plants, a guide for gardeners. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of gardening, specifically focusing on the difference between shade plants and sun plants. If you're new to gardening or looking to enhance your garden, this video will provide you with essential information to help you make the best choices for your plants. So, let's grow our knowledge together. Sun plants are those that thrive in full sunlight. This means they need at least 6 hours of direct sunlight each day. They are designed by nature to withstand the harsh rays of the sun without wilting or suffering from heat stress. Sun plants often have characteristics such as deep root systems, thick leaves, or light-reflecting leaf surfaces to manage and utilize the abundant sunlight. Examples include sunflowers, marigolds, and tomatoes. These plants are perfect for the brightest spots in your garden where the sun loves to shine. On the other hand, shade plants are those that prefer limited or indirect sunlight. They flourish in conditions where sunlight is filtered through other objects, like trees or buildings, providing a gentle light for most of the day. Shade plants typically have larger, thinner leaves to catch as much light as possible in low-light conditions. Ferns, hostas, and impatiens are excellent examples of shade-loving plants. They're ideal for areas in your garden that receive less direct sunlight or are shadowed for significant parts of the day. Understanding whether a plant is a shade or a sun lover is crucial for several reasons. First, it ensures that your plants have the optimal growing conditions they need to thrive. Placing a sun-loving plant in the shade can result in poor growth and flowering, while shade plants exposed to too much sunlight might wilt or burn. Knowing the difference helps you design your garden more effectively, creating a beautiful and healthy space that both you and your plants will enjoy. Here are a few tips to make the most of your gardening experience. Observe your garden throughout the day to understand which areas get full sun and which are more shaded. Research your plants before purchasing to ensure they're suitable for your garden's conditions. Consider the changing seasons, as the amount of sunlight and shade in your garden can vary significantly throughout the year. Don't be afraid to experiment. Sometimes, plants can surprise you by thriving in conditions that are not typically ideal for them. We hope this video has shed some light on the difference between shade and sun plants and why it's so important for your gardening success. Whether you're planting a new garden or revamping an existing one, understanding these differences can help you create a more vibrant, healthy, and beautiful garden. Thank you for watching, and happy gardening!